What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Chris, and today I've got something interesting to show you guys on the Land Cruiser side of things. Bought a nice little 200 series last week that just came in today, and it just arrived, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick what this thing's all about. It's a pretty cool car. It's pretty unique. This is this car is out of Texas, 200 car out of Texas. And from 08 to 11, Gulf Coast Toyota, they would have these port installed accessories, fender flares, just different little things that they would do to the car. They did it on the 100 series as well, and now they brought it to the 200. But unique to the 200, they have this stripe package where the flares are a different color than the body, and then they have this sticker package that goes along the bottom of the car. And I think it's to emulate some of the older 80 series, 100 series or whatnot. They didn't do it very much. You didn't see a lot of them. I've seen a lot of Amazon green cars with the same stripe kit on it, but not a lot of white cars, which is what I'm going to show you now. So again, we just got the car in, haven't done anything to it other than taking door dings out. I'm literally on my way to Toyota now to get it inspected, serviced, etc. And then we'll work it through. But just wanted to do a quick video, quick little overview of this car and to show you the stripe kit. It's pretty cool because it's kind of unique, and it's a factory installed, well, I should say a port installed option. So here we go. So here it is. I'm sure some of you have seen this before. Again, I've only seen this on white cars and the Amazon green cars. I've never seen it on any other cars, and I've only seen the gold scheme. I've never seen it on a different color car where you get silver like you would see, or even like the dark graphite like you would see on the older 100 series. So, you know, everybody's got their own opinion on the flares. I think it's kind of cool because it's different. Obviously, the previous owner took the step bars off, which that's an A+ for me. But it's just pretty cool because it's kind of unique. Something that will stand apart from every other single Land Cruiser on the road. And they just didn't offer a lot of these. So I'd love to hear you guys' feedback, see what you guys think about it. Has anybody seen this in person? Or is this kind of the first one that you've seen? And yes, this is factory port installed stuff. But this is a real nice car, 200 car. 200 car out of middle of Texas, just how I like them. It's got really good service history. This thing's gonna clean up really, really nice. Literally haven't done anything to it. Dirt in the seats, but I've seen enough of these and bought and sold enough of these over the years to know that our team and everybody behind us, once this thing gets done, it's gonna be nice. And it's gonna be well priced. It's gonna be a 200 series in the mid-20s. Which you don't see very much. It's got 217,000 miles. And overall, I've already driven it. Really, really nice car. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited to get it ready. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the port installed sticker kit here. Kind of unique, kind of different, something cool to set it apart. But stay tuned. I'll be doing some more on this car as we get it ready.